Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to improve your aim inside of Call of Duty's Modern Warfare 2. So there's actually a few ways to do this, and I'm going to run you through the ways now. So the first method, I would say, make sure your sensitivity and all these settings here are perfect and suited to you perfectly. Now the reason I say this is because if your sensitivity is wrong, then it's going to be a lot harder to aim. Obviously if it's really slow, you're not going to be able to move around as fast and snap onto people. The same move is too fast. If you go to snap onto people, you're just going to go too far over and end up missing them. So just keep playing around with all these settings until you get them right. Now the second way I'd actually recommend is go into your weapons and choose whichever gun you run the most. And you just want to go down here in firing range. Now this can be a really good way of practicing your aim, as you don't actually have to join a game. You can just practice in here. You can kind of test your movement around and jump around, and yeah. So now onto the third way of improving your aim. I'm now just going to head into a game so I can show you the third way of how to improve your aim. So the first thing I'd say is knowing the map. Obviously if you know the map, you're going to know where people can come from. And obviously you're going to aim better as a result, as you're going to already be aiming where they're going to be coming from. So that's the number one option. So you want to make sure you'll always be aiming where you think an enemy is going to be coming from. So for example, if an enemy is going to be coming up from here, for example, you don't want to be looking down here or looking too high up, or you're just going to die as they're going to be locked onto you already. You want to be running around the corner and be locked on where they're going to be already, and that will allow you the easiest way to get kills, as you're already going to be aiming where they are. As you can see, if you know where they're going to come from, you can get kills a lot easier, as they basically run straight into a crosshair. So that's basically the things I recommend to get better at aim in Modern Warfare 2. You could also do some bot lobbies with like hardpoint. If you're new to the game, you could just do this to learn all the maps so that you know where people are going to come from, so that you can pre-aim those areas and be ready for anything. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it works, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.